Hey guys, welcome to Huggery App. I'm James and co-founder of the app as well as designer of the majority of the app functions and features. We're excited about launching this app and for you to check out this quick video tutorial on the Huggery app and main interface. Let's take a look. Welcome to the Huggery app map. First click the top left dropper, then the My Location button in the bottom right corner of the map. Hit Continue to find where you are. Once the map is loaded, you can see all the multicolored dots representing different categories of businesses. Drop down all the business categories, toggle those categories by turning them on and off, hit Done, or tap the screen. You can pinch and squeeze, type in the top bar, and you can sort by business name. Click on the dot and it will show the business thumbnail. You can also switch over from the map to the list mode. Then you can also in the list mode sort by name, reviews, distance, delivery time, and cost. On the bottom right, let's hit more. There's Tree Scanner, Huggery Foundation, About Us, Terms and Conditions, Carbon Footprint Calculator, Privacy Policy, and Logging Out. Hitting the Account button, you see all your account details, which you can edit at any time. Favorites is where you find your favorited businesses. You can toggle them, and at the bottom left, view your order history. Thanks for checking out this quick walkthrough video on the Marketplace app. We have several other quick tutorial walkthrough videos that you can check out right here.